Hello guys, I am Arvind and welcome to this session. And in this session, we are going to discuss logical instructions in C programming. So let's get started. Guys, the logical operators are used to perform logical operations on the given expressions. And these expressions are known as logical instructions in C programming. Now guys, let's take an example of logical instructions. Guys, in this program we are using a logical instruction, and in this instruction we are using decimal numbers rather than binary numbers. So we can also apply logical operators on decimal numbers. But guys, we cannot solve logical instructions without precedence or priority rule. So let's discuss this priority rule first. Guys, logical NOT has the highest priority, and then logical and at the end logical OR has the least priority. Now guys, let's go ahead and we'll solve a logical instruction. Guys, this is the logical instructions. Now we are going to solve this instruction step by step. So let's go ahead. Guys, we are going to solve this logical instruction step by step. So first of all, it will solve this logical NOT 7 and it will return 0 because logical NOT has the highest priority. So the instruction will be like this, and obviously we will solve these logical instructions from left to right. So the equation will be like this. Now according to the precedence rule or priority rule, we will solve this expression and it will return 1. So the equation will be like this: 2 logical OR 1 logical OR 0 logical AND 5 logical OR 0 logical AND 6. Now it will solve this expression and it will give you 0 because 0 logical AND 5. So the equation will be 2 logical OR 1 logical OR 0 logical OR 0 logical AND 6. Now it will solve this expression and it will give you 0. Now we got the equation like this. So 2 logical OR 1 logical OR 0 logical OR 0. Now 2 logical OR 1 will give you 1, and equation will be 1 logical OR 0 logical OR 0. Now this expression will be solved, so it will give you 1 and equation will be 1 logical OR 0. Now this will give you 1, so the output will be 1, or we can say that the value of A will be 1. I hope it is clear to you. Now let me open up the Turbo C++ compiler. Guys, now we are going to solve this logical instruction in this program. Now let me run this program, and the value of A is 1 as I told you earlier. So guys, I hope it is clear to you, and thank you so much guys for watching this video. Just in case you liked it, do not forget to like and subscribe. I will see you then in the next video.